Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be a cleaning video, even though it is my closet. I have to organize my closet. It's somewhat organized, but we're going to go through and take out all the stuff that I'm not wearing. I did that a couple weeks ago, and I donated a lot of stuff. Don't mind my face. I'm going through a phase right now where I'm trying to figure out what works for my face and what don't. So right now I'm just down to the basic, which is my face wash and a toner. And then I will add in moisturizer. Try to figure out what's causing the breakouts, like these really huge breakout on my face. So I'm trying to eliminate stuff from my routine. So that's what I'm in the process of doing. So I can't wear any makeup because that clogs my pores like none other. But it's either near here nor there. I have really big plans for this section right here, which is like a catch-all. I intended, let me turn the camera on. Okay, so this space right here is part of my closet. There go my wig right there, my other wig head, my Hunter Boots box. This is just a catch-all of randomness. This is where I store all my makeup brushes and makeup in here. And then I intended to have this as a office, but it's not really functioning for me. So I want to turn this into, I want to use the pack system that I already have in this space for my shoe, because they're taking over all of hubby's side. Like, that's hubby's section, and all my shoes are in there, and I just need somewhere to put them. This is unfinished. This box right here, it's unfinished. I need to put these away. They go in a drawer over here. So I just need to organize like my shorts drawer down here. I just need to organize it because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be wearing any more shorts. And then this drawer right here is just, I don't even know what it is. So we need to organize that. And then this section is not complete yet, but IKEA was out of the pieces that I need, and then COVID happened, and it's just never happened. So I'm going to take out everything and dust, and I'm not going to touch hubby's side because, you know, this is his work shirt, and he's like, he doesn't do construction, but he delivers construction materials. So these are all his work shirt that he uses for that. And then that's more like his dressy stuff and his pants, and that's his stuff. But here on over, all of this is mine, and I just need to organize it. So let's get going.
All night long, yeah. We dance with our razor tongues and all day long, yeah. We reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale, reminiscing the bygone time. Laugh till we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday, no love on a holiday, no love on a holiday, no love on a holiday. We're running too fast on fumes and all day long, yeah. Lying around with our favorite tune.
So far I've organized these two drawers, this drawer. These two were already organized. I just have to find somewhere to put my boots. This is, I don't know where I want this to be, so that's why it's still empty. I just don't know how it would look aesthetically when you come in the closet. So I don't know if I should continue the drawers, like two flat drawers and then two glass here, or to do pull-out shelves for like shoes. I don't know yet. And I don't want to pull the trigger and get the inserts and then not like it. So I'm still holding out on that. This over here I want to change up. This is all the stuff that I'm getting rid of. Sad, I know. This I want to change up because it doesn't fit my purses at all. Some of them are stuffed in bags. Like these have multiple bags, that multiple bag. It just doesn't fit my bag. So I'm thinking I could use this as my shoe or put boxes over here to put my shoes. But so now I have to dust all of this. I have to dust all of this and organize this. So let's go.
On a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday.
Look at all that dust. That's crazy.
Hey, this might come out as total madness, but just wait. I really need to tell you something. 'Cause I feel alone in a room, surrounded by people. I wanna know if you're feeling it too. Out on the roof, here with you, it all seems so distant. With you, under street lights right next to the skyline. With you, yeah, you. I've been listening to so many of my days now. You.
Okay guys, so I'm all done. I couldn't show you guys me dusting everything because it's such an awkward layout in here. So yeah, those are gonna stay there for right now until I figured out stuff. But this is my bathing suits. I don't have to organize these because they're in a container, so you don't really see that, and that's what you see when you close it. And these are my PJs and camis. So I have all my camis right here, and then those are just workout tops. These are my bottoms. I don't know, whatever. And then this down here are all my shorts, all organized. Yay me! So that's what that looks like. And then I also have them organized by length. So these are my shorter shorts, my, you know, not so short. And then these are my longer shorts. And then down here, these are all my lounge shorts, workout shorts. And these are my socks. I don't know why I have socks in here because I have another dresser in my room with socks. So I don't know why these are here, but they're here. That drawer right there houses all my bra. I'm not going to show you guys that. Originally, I wanted it to house my workout tops, but I don't think I'm going to. I was supposed to put a pull out right here for a pants pull out for my tights, like my workout tights. But I don't think I'm going to do that. Like this whole unit, I'm going to change up. And then this is all my short sleeves. And then up here are all my sweatshirts. These are just some decorative things I put up top. See, it says Girl Boss. Coffee, because you know I love coffee. That says Coffee Mascara Hustle. That's my Louis Vuitton key pouch thingy. box. These are all my short sleeves. I was gonna organize them by color, but ain't nobody got time for that. This right here just houses random stuff. Very random, really random. And then this is where I keep all my jackets. These are all my cardigans, my shorter dresses, and then longer dresses back there. So, and this thing right here houses all my scarves. So this is what I keep all my scarves on. And I have a ton of scarves. Ton. So if I want a scarf, I just pull that bad boy out and all my scarves are on that thing. And it fits perfectly right there. Like I told you guys, this is where all my purses are. Not the best organization for this, but for right now it works. Some of these purses I don't even use anymore. I don't use purses anymore. I'm not a purse person. I got rid of 10 of them. This is empty. I don't know what to put here. This is all my underwear. So I have all my prettier panties, period panties, and this is all my feminine stuff. So this is all my feminine stuff right here. And then over here, I have all of my this is just random storage. I don't know why, but it's just random storage up here. I promise I'm gonna make it pretty, but for right now it just houses I don't even know what's in here. This is a pillow for, I don't know, it's just there. It was on my bed and I didn't want to go in the basement to go put it there, so I just put it there. These are all my that's Rob's side, so we're not gonna focus on that. These are all my, and my hangers don't match. At one point I was trying to go for the leopard, but these, I love them, but they're a pain to get the clothes on, so I just went back to Walmart hangers. These are all my sweater. So this is my in-season clothing. This is all my summer stuff over here. This is why I wear it in the summer and also in the fall and winter. But this is where I keep all my sweater. This is again another random. I was supposed to get the insert for this, but I never got it, but whatever. This is where I keep all my leggings. So all my leggings and all my okay baby, and all my sweatpants are here. And then all of these are like paint, like if I'm painting and doing projects, this is what I'll put on. And then these are all my leggings. I have a ton in the wash. I need to go find them. And then down here are all my jeans. Down here are all my skirts. So this is where I keep all my skirts. And then down here are all my shoes. I'm not going to pull it out because it's a pain, because there's a shoe back here that keeps getting caught. And then over here are the rest of my shoe. And then I have shoe downstairs, and then I have shoes in the basement, and I got shoes, like all my hugs are back here. And then my hunter boots are downstairs. So yeah, and then on this side is just the desk area. I didn't do anything with that. Yes. So, and then this side is Mr. Rob's side of the closet. So there. So there you have it, guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Yeah, so hopefully on Monday I'll have a cleaning video for you guys. Not Monday, Tuesday. Bye, guys.